Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to use VPN on a Mac without a VPN software or application. So without much ado, let's get straight to the video. The first thing that you need to do is you have to go ahead to System Settings and then Network and then VPN. You can also go to VPN directly, it will be the same thing. And then click here and choose this one, L2TP, this VPN. And for server address, you can copy this. This is the server address. Copy. And we have to paste it here. And account name will be VPN. So this is the thing that you need to do. And you have to put a password here. Enter a password just in case. So after putting a password, you have to leave the rest of the things as it is. And then you have to go here and then you have to turn this on. Send all traffic over VPN connection. You have to turn this thing on and that is it. And then you have to click create once when you're done with it. So after that, you will get your own VPN without an application or a software. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.